Keyless access is an easily adjustable feature that makes it simpler than ever to access your Subaru. With your key fob in your possession, unlocking your Subaru is as simple as touching either of the front door handles or pressing the release button on your trunk or rear hatch. Locking the doors is just as easy. Just touch the two ridges on the top of either door handle or the lock button on the trunk or rear hatch, and the doors will lock. To customize your keyless access settings, simply select the Settings tile from the Starlink home screen, followed by the Vehicle Customization tile. To adjust your keyless access settings to have all doors unlocked, scroll down using the down arrow until you see Keyless Access Settings, where you can choose the option Driver's Door Unlock, and then select to have only the driver's door unlock, or select All Doors to have all doors unlocked for added convenience. You'll also notice a number of other vehicle settings inside the Settings menu. Adjust these settings any way you like for a customized experience. In a Subaru, it's your world. Enjoy it your way.